Hi guys, we just wanted to show you these laser lights that we fitted on the Mercedes X-Class. So the driveway there is 150 metres long. That tree in the distance there, straight ahead, is 150 metres away. If we knock those lights off, we're on standard lights now on the X-Class. It's about 30 metres visibility there, quite poor, especially when you're travelling at 30 or 40 miles an hour. That's more like it, 150 metres there. I reckon that visibility is probably do as much again, so probably 300 or 400 metres easily with good visibility. So big safety benefits for these lights. These are the standard 750 Triple-Rs. We also stock the Elite version, which is even more powerful. Good lights, English made, Lazer, well renowned, well respected company. We do integrations for different vehicles, including Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux, VW Amarok, the Mercedes X-Class that we're talking about now. For more details, visit our website 4x4at.com or click the link below. Thanks for watching.